guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making today a stir fry using Beyond Meat's beef crumbles. It's an imitation meat product made by the Beyond Meat company. So far all our products have been really delicious, so we're going to give this a try with some veggies and see how it comes out. So let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell, so every time we upload a new video you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Alright, so this is what we're going to be using for ingredients. I'm trying to keep it really simple because I just want to see what this Beyond Meat crumbles is like. So I have some stir fry mix. This is from Members Mark, Sam's Club. It comes frozen. It's sat out. It just kind of like thawed out, but it should be fine. I have some Beyond Meat, one package, and they're plant-based beef crumbles. So the fat on them is really good. It's only 3 grams per serving. There's 5 servings here, so a total of 15 grams of fat per package and 13 grams of protein. Really good. The sodium is not too bad, 300 milligrams per serving. Compared to most other, preserved or pre-made meats, is not that bad. So I have shoyu. This is like a reduced sodium type of soy sauce, and is organic. I'm using my toasted sesame oil, some sesame seeds, kind of like for garnish at the end, a little bit of crunch, and I have probably about 4 cups of shredded organic cabbage, about 4 or 5 cloves of minced fresh garlic, and I will be sauteing with organic peanut oil. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our wok going on high heat. Alright, into our wok we're going to go ahead and drop about 1 tablespoon of peanut oil. I'm going to go ahead and drop the garlic. Our veggies. Now I'm going to let my veggies get hot before I go ahead and drop the meat crumbles. These meat crumbles are already pre-cooked, so don't really have to worry about sauteing them that much. Just want to get my veggies really hot and the pan back to heat since we dropped some cold vegetables in there. I really like the look of these veggies from Members Mark. They come frozen, and they're actually really well priced. The only thing I don't like is that they're not organic, so probably not something I would eat on a regular basis. Just if you're in a rush or need to get something cooked really quick, you could drop this with a little bit of soy sauce and just enjoy this over rice. You don't really even need the alternative meat product, which I don't really use alternative meat products. I just want to give this a try, let you guys know what I think. So far the Beyond Meat products have all been really delicious. So alright, so now we got our wok nice and hot. Go ahead and drop the cabbage. And I'm actually going to drop the beef crumbles last because I want to sweat that cabbage and get it softened up before I add them in, because all they really need to do is just kind of heat up and mix in with the sauce. So I'm going to give this about 4 or 5 minutes to sweat a bit and soften up, and then we'll come back and add more ingredients. Alright guys, so as you can see, we let that cabbage sweat down quite a bit. Now we're going to go ahead and add these beef crumbles. And it does look a lot like cooked ground beef. It has a pretty strong smell of cumin. So I imagine that's probably one of the base seasonings that they use on it. Now we're going to bring the heat 425. I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'll show you. And if you guys wanted to make this like a thicker sauce, you could just add, you know, a little bit of flour or cornstarch, and it would thicken it up. I just want to do it regular, but in case you wanted to do that, you certainly could. Alright, so now basically I'm just going to add the final ingredient, which is our sesame oil to flavor. And I like to always add sesame oil at the end because it has a low smoke point, and it could oxidize really, really easily. So at this point, I'm just going to bring down the heat to medium-low just to really keep it warm. And I'm going to drop about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And this stuff has a lot of flavor, so no need to add a lot to it. And I just want to stir that in really well. And we're pretty much ready to serve. Alright guys, so here is this beautiful, amazing smelling recipe. Just wanted to give you guys a closer look there. I'm going to add just a little bit of sesame seeds over the top, just as a garnish and also to give it a little bit of crunch and taste. And there is the final dish. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give this stir fry a taste. It smells really good. It looks amazing. The taste of the cumin in the beef crumbles is definitely very strong. It's not greasy. It's kind of like a little bit more dry. The flavor overall is very good. The crunch of these veggies, great addition. The only thing I would change is maybe a little bit less on that strong cumin flavor, but are very delicious. If you feel like eating something that has the mouthfeel of beef or hamburger, you know, it's pretty good. I would definitely cook with it again. Not bad at all, and the price is reasonable.